In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear upper shock mount in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. In the trunk, you're going to go find this panel and just twist these and unlock them. And we can slide this forward and slide it up. And we're going to take the wheel lock key out and also this hook. This is going to pull the center caps off. There should be a little cap right here. You want to take that off with the straight blade screwdriver. Just pop that off. Once that's off, you can take the hook and find one of these holes. Just go in the hole, give it a pull, and that will pull right off. Now take your wheel lock key, find your wheel lock, take that off first using a 17mm socket. Now you can go to the other ones using the same 17mm socket. Before I take the last wheel bolt off, I'm just going to hold the wheel, take it off, prevent the wheel from falling, and then slide it off. Underneath the rear spring for the suspension, I'm just going to use a pull jack just to take some tension off the shock. Using a 16mm socket and a 16mm wrench, I'm going to put the wrench on the nut, take the bolt out. And take that bolt out. And I'm going to lower this down, lower the pull jack down. Now we're only doing one side at a time, so you can let this go. Don't do this at the same time, both sides. Now using a 16mm socket, take these two bolts out. Just grab the shock, you can compress it, and it slides right out. Just take this cover off here and just pull it straight up. You can access the nut there. And we're just going to slide underneath here, just get a straight blade screwdriver, peel the bumper back, just like that. We can access the center shaft there using some locking pliers as high as possible. Just lock on there. And using a 16mm socket, take this nut off. You can slide the mount off, just like that. Now take the mount, slide it in position, and take the nut, line that up. Now using the locking pliers again, as high as possible, just to prevent the shaft from spinning. Snug this up first. Now we'll torque that to 18 foot-pounds. That's good. Take the locking pliers off and slide this bumper all the way up. You can push this in using a straight blade screwdriver. All the way around. That's good. Now slide the shock and mount in position. You can compress it to make it a little easier, make it line up. Take the two bolts, get those started. Tighten these down. And you can torque those to 55 foot-pounds. Raise the rear suspension again with the pull jack. Get the shock to line up. And put the bolt through. Get that started. Put the nut on. Tighten that down. And torque that to 44 foot-pounds. And you can lower the pull jack. Now put the wheel back up. Line up the holes. And get the bolt started. Take the other bolts, get those all started, and the wheel lock and key, and we'll snug those down. Now we want to torque the lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. Take the key off, slide the center cap in place. And if you have that little cap, you want to put that on now. Now you want to put the tools back and close it up. Lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.